Greetings, fellow travelers. I'm Captain Zara, and I welcome you all aboard this vessel as we embark on an extraordinary journey. Today, we stand on the cusp of history as we prepare to explore the vast expanse of our tri-star system, home to 18 wondrous planets waiting to be discovered. But before we begin this epic space odyssey, let us introduce you to the Chronicles of DianToz, a journey that takes you back to the dawn of civilization, when our ancestors, the Heidelbergensis, were first transported from Earth to DianToz by the enigmatic antediluvians, an ancient race of space explorers. Follow our 8-part series to learn how we overcame our fears and warlike tendencies to build a prosperous world and a spacefaring society. And it all begins with the Chronicles of DianToz. The Chronicles serve as a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in our darkest hours, there is light. Even in the face of adversity, there is opportunity. And even in the vast expanse of space, there is unity.
Around 200,000 years ago, the Heidelbergensis were transported from Earth to the exoplanet DianToz by the antediluvians, an ancient race from deep within the galaxy. Seeing an opportunity to help seed a future civilization on potentially 2 worlds, the antediluvians set forth a plan to migrate a small group of Heidelbergensis to the exoplanet DianToz. DianToz was a world suitable for human life located approximately 150 light-years from Earth, residing in the Hyades star stream, a large collection of scattered stars that also share a similar trajectory with the Hyades star cluster. The antediluvians identified the Heidelbergensis species of Earth as having great potential for growth and evolution. They had observed their development and recognized the unique qualities that set them apart from other ancient human species. The challenge facing Heidelbergensis was survival in such a harsh and dangerous world. Survival rates for bipeds was not good. One pandemic could potentially wipe out a whole population on Earth. The antediluvians possessed wizard-like technology that allowed them to traverse the vast expanses of space. To transport Heidelbergensis from Earth to DianToz, they developed a combination of advanced gravitational wave manipulation and wormhole technology. Using their mastery of gravitational waves, the antediluvians created a pathway acted like a bridge, forming a wormhole that linked the 2 distant points in space. This particular wormhole created a faster-than-lightning journey between 2 locations, transcending the limitations of conventional space travel. The antediluvians' act of transporting the Heidelbergensis from Earth to DianToz was a mind-bending display of their otherworldly capabilities. This was one of many missions they embarked on in assisting other primitive species in their journey towards not only survival but progress and enlightenment. With the wormhole stabilized, the antediluvian ships left Earth with their carefully chosen group of early hominids who displayed the most promising traits for adaptation and survival on DianToz. They also collected DNA samples from many other Heidelbergensis clans, using cloning techniques and ensuring genetic diversity necessary for a successful colony to flourish. By taking only a small group, this also preserved the Heidelbergensis species' chances of survival on Earth. The journey through the wormhole was instantaneous from the perspective of the Heidelbergensis clan, but in reality, it was a profound leap across the cosmos. Upon their arrival on DianToz, the Heidelbergensis were reintegrated into physical form, retaining their memories and knowledge thanks to the advanced wizardry of the antediluvians. It didn't take long to realize that living on a planet with 3 suns was vastly different than living on Earth. The sky was always filled with a kaleidoscope of luminous light and color in the day. At night, they were greeted with shades of black, gray and white throughout the evening hours. One of the most fascinating aspects of living on a planet with 3 suns was the spectacular sunsets and sunrises. The days were longer, as the suns would take turns rising and setting throughout the day. Even the number 2 and 3 suns, who were more distant from DianToz, offered incredible sunsets, just as beautiful, but each sun offered a little fainter experience than the previous sunset. All the sunsets were filled with a beautiful array of colors, ranging from deep oranges and reds to bright pinks and purples. It was common practice for Heidelbergensis to hold spiritual assemblies and gather together each evening to celebrate this astonishing display of nature's beauty. During the summer months, all three suns would be high in the sky, creating a sweltering and luminous environment. Heidelbergensis understood early on that they had to utilize the expansive rainforest to build their homes in shaded areas in order to avoid the excessive heat. Not only was DianToz part of a three-star family, but there were also 18 other planets within this extraordinary star system. They appeared as different-sized orbs of light in the night sky, each one glowing with its own unique color. Even more amazing was the fact that the DianToz trinary star system was part of the Hyades stream, a large collection of scattered stars that also share a similar trajectory with the Hyades star cluster. Traveling within the Hyades star cluster showcased a canopy of neighboring stars. There was a wide assortment of stars to grace the heavens, not just twinkling lights as seen on Earth but sizable stars like small luminous moons scattered across the celestial evening. Being part of the Hyades star stream meant that there were even more stars in the sky than on most planets in the universe. The stars were so close together that the light between the stars created a mesmerizing display. Some stars were blue and some were red, while others were so bright that they cast shadows on the ground. It was said that if you looked long enough, you could see every color of the rainbow in the stars. On clear nights, the inhabitants of DianToz would gather outside and stare up at the sky in wonder. Adults would point out the different planets and stars and tell stories and myths about these heavenly bodies. Some even speculated about the possibility of one day visiting them. For the people of DianToz, the sky was a constant reminder of the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities that lay beyond their planet. Overall, living on DianToz was a remarkable experience for the Heidelbergensis. They were at the beginning of a great adventure,